Date is the 11th of June 2021. This is Melkonkatu, Melkonkatu, Stickisei. Here in Vattonimi, Alones. Part of Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Finland. With 7 floors, built in 1972. And I love this green color.
Yeah, same.
We have also been in the Stickisei. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022, when it's turning 50 years old. And the serial number is 29171. Kone Yhtiö logo here.
Yeah.
I love the sounds.
Yeah, same here.
Maybe it is from early 1972, but it's still in good shape.
Yeah.
But I have to check the information.
Yeah.
If it was finished in 1972 or 73. I'll check it later. Second round.
Inspektit bara kiva inspektera, att meidän teet bara chilla.
Bad maintenance.
Yeah.
Just like in building 4.
Yeah.
But they are different buildings. Or different caretakers.
Yeah.
FAT pin 6, stop and alarm buttons, and outside the NP6 occupied light.
Yeah.
And I also love these numbers.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and please watch this Stickisei here as well.